From blueprint to front door, RichmondCustomHomes.com has your financing covered. When deciding between new construction and resale homes in Richmond, Virginia, many buyers ask, which one actually saves more? New construction homes often come with modern designs, energy efficiency, and fewer maintenance costs in the early years. You're less likely to deal with repairs, which can save money over time. However, they may come with higher upfront costs and longer timelines. Resale homes, on the other hand, are usually more affordable upfront and located in established neighborhoods with mature landscaping and amenities. But they may require repairs, updates, or renovations that add to your long-term costs. Financing options can also differ, especially if you're building versus buying an existing home. The real answer depends on your budget, timeline, and how long you plan to stay in the home. Looking at both short-term costs and long-term value will help you make the smartest financial decision. For more info, Duane Buziak Mortgage Maestro NMLS 1110647. Call 804-212-8663. Email Duane at coast2coastmall.com. And visit RichmondCustomHomes.com.